Hey guys, I'm Aubrey from Drafted, and I have some great news for you if you use Greenhouse as your ATS. Drafted integrates directly with Greenhouse, which means we automatically import your jobs to Drafted and your referrals to Greenhouse. I know, it's pretty amazing. To integrate your Greenhouse account, go to your Greenhouse settings. Then click Dev Center in the navigation to the left. Under Dev Center, select API Credential Management. We are going to create a new API key. Fill in the description with Drafted. I'm adding tutorial because we already have one called Drafted, and then select Harvest. Click Create. Then you want to select All. Scroll down to the bottom and click Update. Copy the API key you just created. Final step, go to Integrations under the Company tab in Drafted. Select Connect Greenhouse, and then paste your API key. Now all your jobs and referrals are synced.